Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your third tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last video, I talked about what you will learn and what you will create after completing this tutorial. So in this video, I will define HTML and CSS. Let's get started. Okay guys, in the previous videos, I've been mentioning HTML and CSS, HTML and CSS. So what is HTML and what is CSS? Okay, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. So HTML is responsible for the structure of the website. Let me put it this way. If a website was a house, the HTML would be a builder. It would build the structure of the house, and then the CSS would be a painter, the one who paints the house after the structure is put up. So that is the work of HTML. It builds the structure of the website, and then CSS add the stylings to your website. When you go to Google Chrome or whatever browser and search for a website, you will see it has some button with blue color or red. That is the work of CSS. The CSS adds the style. It determines how the website will look. It makes the website looks beautiful. That's what it does. I think I will not go any further. That is the brief introduction of HTML and CSS. In the next video, I will talk about HTML structure, and then we will write our first line of code. That's all for now. I will see you in the next video.